All right, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this Solas prop out of this pump, and we're going to reinstall a we're going to be swapping out two aftermarket props, but this will also show you how to both install a Solas and take it off at the same time. So what we're going to do now, the first part, is to take off this rubber piece here in the front of the prop. Now what you want to do is get yourself a flat blade screwdriver, and you're just going to have to make your way around that and gently pull it out. So that would just kind of give it a push, real gentle. You don't want to tear that up, and watch your fingers on that blade, and then that'll pop out. And I found the best way to grab it after you get it out is sometimes it doesn't want to slide in the shaft. It'll get stuck. Grab a rag. For whatever reason, it just gives you better grip. You can just yank that thing right off. So now you got the rubber seal off. Now, once again, you're going to take the Solas tool. This is a WR004 tool. Slide that over the shaft, and then take the same sleeve part from last time and slide that onto this side. So let's just fit over it. Once again, clamp it in the center, give it a nice tighten. And now this one has little teeth in it, and we're gonna go ahead and line this up. Only fits one way, it's in there. Now you can use a smaller one or a larger one, it doesn't matter. It's whatever you wanna get more leverage on. I always use the big one. Go ahead and snug it up, give it a push, and that comes off right away. Now, if they're galled on there, occasionally these props will take a lot more effort to get off. You do wanna reinstall, especially if you're riding in salt water with some anti-seize. I do not ride saltwater. I live in the middle of the desert, and corrosion is not something we have to deal with here. But if it is for you, make sure you do that. So we're going ahead and slide this one off. The pump, that piece comes off, and that's how you remove a Solas prop. Now, once again, if you were going to reinstall, you would just turn it counterclockwise to tighten it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab the other prop, and I'll show you how a Scat Track style prop installs.